In this day and age of computer technology, you might wonder if there's still money in typewriter repair work. Tonight, KITV4's Catherine CRUZ winds up our look at soon-to-be bygone technology in her series, Old Tech in a High-Tech World. Catherine?
Well, not far from our studios is the last company focused solely on keeping typewriter machines clacking away. The question is, for how long? It's a sign you see as you drive by King Street. The actual office is tucked away on the side. They say service is what they sell, and you might expect they've sold a lot over the years.
We'll be here forever.
So says Richard Sugano, the man whose father started the company. These days, it's a trio that keeps the business together.
I do the electronic machines. Roy does the mechanical. Willie does the old stuff.
The old stuff are manuals, like this Corona. It's a century old. Willard Wada is close to that and just may be the last Honolulu guy standing who knows how to fix them.
So my aim is to stay alive to the end of this year.
These days, he says the toughest part of fixing the manuals, remembering how. The customers, they joke, are almost as old as the machines that need fixing.
Senior citizens, barely alive like me.
But there's something reassuring that surely this old shop will have ribbon or cartridges they need, even though that someday soon that won't be the case.
So you have plenty of this kind you're gonna get?
Plenty. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because hard to find, this kind, because my typewriter,
A quick look around the joint and you get the idea that clutter is part of the charm.
You have a lot of guts laying around here.
Yeah, most of them are rubbish. Hard to throw them away. You might need that one little 5-cent thing. Never know.
It's hard to believe, but the shop's customers still include commercial contracts with government, state and city, along with some financial institutions.
You still gotta type your forms and little notes and things, or short letters. Gotta have typewriter.
And if you don't want to trade in your clickety-clackety machine, what's the secret to keeping it in shape?
The trick is to keep using them. Then you keep all the mechanical parts moving, right?
And as long
Like
as
the ones in your basement, forget it, we don't want them. They're probably frozen by now.
And that could be said of what's keeping these gents kicking. At their age, they probably don't want to slow down too much.
so you guys are diehard dinosaurs.
Yep. We'll still be plunking along the earth, right?
Oh, and one more thing about the name. The shop is in the McCully area, but actually started in Mo'iliili.
But we also have the guys who think, I remember you from KAIMUKI. Well, that's not us.
KAIMUKI Typewriter Services never was in KAIMUKI, and Sugano says probably never will be. Not in KAIMUKI, Catherine CRUZ, KITV4 News.
That brings back memories.
I wonder what the story is behind that. Why just KAIMUKI? Just because.
Just stuck,
Yeah.
right? Okay.